Unlocking the secrets of raking in the money. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring an intriguing phrase that you might have heard in conversations, movies, or even in business contexts: raking in the money. Let's unravel what this phrase means, its origins, and how you can use it effectively in your own conversations. At its core, raking in the money is an idiom that paints a vivid picture of someone earning a significant amount of money, often easily or at an impressive rate. Imagine using a rake to gather leaves. Similarly, someone is collecting money in abundance. It's a phrase that conveys success, wealth, and financial prosperity. This phrase taps into the imagery of raking, a term associated with gathering or collecting with a tool. Historically, it's been used to describe the act of collecting anything in large amounts, but over time, it has become specifically linked to acquiring wealth. It's often used in business or entertainment contexts but can be applied in any scenario where someone is making a lot of money, whether through their job, investments, or even winning a lottery. To fully grasp how raking in the money can be used, let's look at some examples. Ever since she launched her online store, she's been raking in the money. The blockbuster movie was raking in the money at the box office. With his innovative app, he started raking in the money within months. These examples showcase different scenarios where the phrase can be applied, highlighting its versatility and descriptive power. When using raking in the money, remember it's a figurative expression. It's perfect for informal conversations, creative writing, or when you want to emphasize the extent of someone's financial success. However, it might be too informal for very serious or formal financial reports or discussions. We hope this exploration of raking in the money adds a colorful expression to your English vocabulary. Whether talking about business success, personal achievements, or just discussing someone's good fortune, this phrase is a fun and vivid way to convey the concept of earning a lot of money. Thanks for watching, and we hope you keep raking in the knowledge with our language learning videos. See you in the next one!